What's going on, world? It's your man Pat, Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. A little bit cold out here right now. It's rainy, and well, we're about to do a first, or actually a second. I did this before, but I did not charge the gentleman I did this before for, because it was a old family friend, and of course you know how that goes. Everybody needs a favor, blah blah blah. Well, either way, we got to tow out a semi. I'm in the battlelack right now, so. And it's raining. Not too sure what, you know, we should be going to do, but well, I know what we're gonna go do, and we're gonna get this damn semi out. They said they're not stuck that much. We got like a 20-minute drive. I'm about to put it back in my GPS, and we're gonna go ahead and go, and we're gonna knock it out. So y'all just rock along with me as we get to it. Y'all gonna see the battlelack pull out a semi truck. Oh yeah. This is our facility. Don't know where this gentleman is at. Oh, I guess we're about to find out. Employee and visitors parking. Check in security. Hold on. So, they think that the guy is hooked up to a trailer, which was not what the gentleman told me. So we're about to find out. Never been back here before. A lot of space. It's not semi-truck stuff, man. It's always space. Alright. So they literally parked it right on the grass. Okay, so this is our gentleman right here. Got his stuff. And we're gonna see what we need here. Alright, I'm gonna try not to get stuck myself. Hold on. What's going on, brother? No worries. Right.
Yeah, it's just like, you know, the wheel spinning.
Yeah, no. Hey, Bill, I got a quick question for you, man. He does not have. You got a minute? Actually, I want to just. He's not hooked up right now, and but the front tires are dug a little bit. It ain't nothing but a foot, but he don't have those hooks in the front. It is a Freightliner. There's a metal bar. I could call you on Messenger to show you if that would help. All right, I'm gonna call you right now. All right. Gotta talk to the tow bros. They be helping me out. Shout out to Billy, Philly Squad. Where you at, bro? There you go. Video call. No. Give me just a second, man. Philly Squad. Yo! What up, big dog? Nothing much, man. Nothing much. I'm trying to get some information on this thing before I go any further. I got a couple of hooks, and we directly in the sand. I'm just gonna try to do it in two-wheel drive. If I can get it in four-wheel drive, then I will. I don't even know.
Let me see what he got. Let me see what he got. I don't want to have to bring out the big boy.
Hey, that's big money. That's big money. Listen, this is him. This is him right here. All right, you see, he ain't too bad. It's a little bit of a dip down, but in the front where those hooks would be, there is no hook. So I'm looking at this metal bar that sits in.
Okay, hold on. Did he look inside the side box for the hooks?
Did you look inside of the side box for the hooks?
He doesn't have it.
He said it doesn't have it. He bought it like this.
Okay. He's sure that he know what we're talking about, though, right?
Yeah.
They were supposed to be hooked up to here.
Why
here?
Right. The ones that hook up in. Yeah.
He doesn't have it.
It doesn't have them.
Okay. right, now sometimes people don't put them back. When they see how when he's showing you how they slide in, it's like the little bracket that locks them in.
Right.
Like drop in.
Right.
Sometimes drop or take them out and put them in the storage bin.
Can you check your storage bin? He said it ain't in there either.
Because I cleaned it.
He cleaned it out. Okay.
I just bought it and then I cleaned it all up.
Gotcha. So yeah, he said ain't no go.
Alright, so now inside the bumper at the bottom at the front of the bumper.
Let me switch the camera back. On the bottom is nothing but plastic.
No. Right through the hole, it should be It should be away from there and come up to the top where you can throw a soft strap.
Yeah, but so you're saying to actually hook it to this portion here, because this is plastic too.
No, but behind it shouldn't be plastic, if I'm not mistaken.
Right. Now let me ask a question, because my soft strap is too big to get inside of there. I have the thick kind that you put on the semi. Can I put a hook? Right. Matter of fact, let me just show you what I got. I got both. Oh, go ahead.
As long as you're putting it to something solid in the front.
I do so, there's a no-go. Where my gloves at? Where my gloves go? So that's where we at right now. I'm probably gonna leave and move my hooks and go back because it's raining. Yes, ma'am. All right, I gotta get the credit card first.
My husband has it.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right, thank you, Billy. I'll call you back. All right, bye-bye. All right.
While we're doing this,
Yeah, that'll work. All right, camera loaded. Boom. All right, ready? All right, first attempt fail. 24 minutes in. Yeah, forward drive, go baby. There you go. I need better tires. If I had the tires or a lift, no problem, baby. Go hit this curve. A little slow. A little slow. I'm in the battlelack, baby. Semi trucks.
Come like you going to, and then when you pull it, act like you're going this way.
Okay.
Therefore, you know.
You can pull that. Okay. fight, y'all. But it ain't coming out so good for the home team. We working at it though. We gonna get it. All right. Round 2. Fight. Ready? The carnage is over. Massive oil leak, burnt out tires, burnt out rubber. I gotta get some tire. Look at it. The carnage, baby. Cadillac came through again. I love this truck. I love this truck. So that's it for the battlelack, man. We got him out. Woo, my butt is wet. And let's pull down a little bit. Take it out of 4-wheel drive. Oh, I'm tired. 35 minutes in. The battlelack did it, baby. It's leaking though. Man, she leaking. She ain't like that too much. Just in case you wonder what I'm doing, I gotta manually lock the front diff. Gotta be acting crazy. I'm soaking wet, but that's okay. We out here making shmoney. I do feel bad for the people. They end up having to leave the load because they got stuck. And I had to stage my friend calling because the lady jewed me down. And so I was like, listen lady, I'm gonna come out there, I'm gonna see how it is. I gotta get that. All I'm missing is a speaker. I'm waiting for this speaker to come in. I'm like, lady, I'll come out there and I will check it out. And if we could do it for cheaper, we can. But when I got out there, as you see, I mean, I've been here damn 40 minutes. Because to her, it should have only took me 2 minutes, and maybe it should have. I don't know. I don't have a big truck and it ain't 4-wheel drive. What I would hate to happen, and it could easily happen, is being out here in a big truck and then getting a big truck stuck like that. So I've charged more for less. So these people actually got a pretty good deal. But because she refused to pay, I ended up having to call my buddy, who ended up telling me where to actually properly hook it up to. So shout out to you, Billy the Philly Squad told King he's doing his thing, man. And I appreciate that, because I needed that, to be honest with you. I think we'll end it on that, man. And yeah, here you go. know he is pissed, and I understand completely, man. I really do. It's hard sometimes to be in business because I feel the pain of the people. I really do. I am a person, you know what I'm saying? But that's what it is. But either way, mad or not, they got out one safe or one piece, and everything, you know, is fine and dandy. So there it is. Like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in again. A big special thank you to Billy, bro. I appreciate it. I might have to load this up early just because. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. So thank y'all for tapping in with your homie, man. Till next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio siempre.